Hey guys, it's Kevin, and today we're going to create a bootable installer for macOS Ventura. You don't need to make one if you have one Mac, but if you have multiple Macs or get contacted for tech support during the holidays, this will come in handy since you don't need to download the installer every time. I've been testing the beta version and uploaded a video about my favorite features, so I'll leave it in the cards and link it below. The first step is to download the installer. Open the App Store and search for macOS Ventura. Not all Macs are compatible, so I'll leave a list on the screen now. Next, click View, then Get. This will automatically open Software Update and System Settings. Finally, click on Download to start. This may take a while depending on how fast your connection is, but with some video editing magic, it's done. This installation window will pop up, but let's Command Q to quit since we're not installing it. If you only need to install it on your personal Mac, you can continue with the installation. Updating your Mac can make it look new, but what if you want your Mac to feel new? Well, now you can thanks to today's sponsor, MacPaw. Clean My Mac X is a Swiss Army knife of utilities that help your Mac perform the same as the day you first got it. I use this app on a weekly basis because it helps my Mac run faster and saves me time. All it takes is one click, technically two, to clean, protect, and speed up my Mac. As a content creator, video files quickly fill up my storage, but with the large and old files feature, I can easily clean them up, after a backup of course. Also, isn't the UI well designed? If you're interested, I'll link this in the description box below. The second step is to format a USB drive. I'm using this flash drive, but any drive will do as long as it has at least 16 GB of space. And make sure nothing valuable is on it. Open Disk Utility and type Command 2 to show all devices. In the sidebar, click on the device name, then click on Erase in the toolbar. Note that APFS is not compatible, so you want to format as macOS Extended Journaled, and click on Erase. After it's formatted, click Done and Command Q. The third step is to create the installer. Open Terminal and type in sudo space. Next, you want to locate the Create Install Media file inside the macOS Ventura download. Open Finder, type Command-Shift-A, right-click on Install macOS Ventura, then Show Package Contents. Open the folder titled Contents, then Resources. Find the file that says Create Install Media, and drag it to the terminal window. Next, type in --volume space. Go back to Finder and type Command-Shift-C and drag the USB drive to terminal and drop. Then press the return key, type in your password, and type Y to continue. Terminal will now erase the disk, make it bootable, and copy the installation files over. This will take a while, so I'm going to use some video magic again. Once you see this message, you can close Terminal. When you open Finder, you can see the drive is now called Install macOS Ventura. Eject the drive and unplug it from your Mac. To use the bootable installer, shut down your Mac and plug in the drive. If you have an Intel Mac, press the power button and press and hold the option key until the bootable volumes appear. If you have a Mac with Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until you see loading startup options. Select the bootable installer, click continue, and follow the installation instructions. And that's how you create a bootable installer for macOS Ventura. I hope you find this video helpful and let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, then you might like to watch this one on my favorite Mac apps and my favorite Mac accessories. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!